What could your business do with real-time performance data about your measuring machines available in a centralized, user-friendly dashboard? SFx Asset Management let operators and managers keep a close check on machinery running unattended by providing real-time customizable notifications of the performance and status of metrology assets, including coordinate measuring machines and laser trackers. All while analyzing the overall equipment effectiveness of your CMM over its life cycle, and enabling live GPS location of your laser tracker, including parameters such as the compensation and check history, power supply, sensor and field checks and drift monitoring. SFx Asset Management is split up into 4 main areas with different dimensional metrics. Asset Dashboard, Event Log, Asset Utilization, Effectiveness, Remote monitoring and real-time customizable notifications make it simple to keep a check on systems running unattended. It's easy to address issues on the go, prevent downtime and reduce equipment maintenance costs. You can enhance resource allocation by identifying which site has spare inspection capacity, and gain insight into how your systems are used. Get your free version today. HxGN SFx Asset Management. Minimize downtime. Maximize efficiency.